watching Akira Nakai build the first RWB Porsche in Africa. Today we're at the Idle Auto Expo to witness the first RWB built Porsche in Africa. And starting off the video, we're starting off with this beautiful GT3 Touring. And as we move to the back, we can see that it is fitted with an Akrapovic exhaust system. And over here is a highly overlooked M car, the BMW 1M, being sold for a whopping 3.3 million, but it is definitely worth it. Paired up with the GT3 Touring. And then just at the back there's a Maybach. We are at the 357 booth and let's see what they have for us. A G80 M3 which pushes crazy amounts of horsepower just like the rest of the lineup. And then this right here, a headlight delete on the G80 M3, carbon fiber grille and a carbon fiber fan splitter. Check out this huge tires on it. And then this is something insane, a Turbo S that is tuned. Where have you ever seen a tuned Turbo S? In general, a 911 Turbo S is quick, but a tuned one, this is crazy. The G87 M2 finished in a stunning color, carbon fiber lip, and then a headlight delete G80 M3. And then as we move over, here is an F90 M5, which is probably the most cleanest F90 M5 I've ever seen before, just next to the most cleanest G87 I've ever seen, with chrome wheels and is bagged. Carbon fiber hood. This just looks insane, and this has a huge single turbo kit on it. How incredible is this RX-7, fitted with a white body kit, finished in green with orange accents, and just next to it is a Porsche white body, which is similar to what Mr. Akira Nakai is building over there. This is clean. Then some GTRs, Ducati bikes. So this is basically the bike section. So for all my bike lovers, a Golf livery on a bike, I've never seen this before. Ducati. So for all my bike lovers, we have different kind of bikes, like super bikes over to classic bikes. Sure, but this is insane. I don't know much about bikes, but the livery on this is incredible. And then just here is, yeah, a crazy white body bakkie. Over here is a Ford Mustang convertible, which is something I've never seen on a Mustang before. But as we move on from this, we have this naturally aspirated beauty right here, an F12 Berlinetta fitted with some Novitec parts like a Novitec exhaust and an F12 and Lago wing, carbon fiber of course. So over here is a 6.3 liter naturally aspirated V12 engine right here, and then Liberty Walk GTR. I mean, check how huge this carbon fiber lip is and how wide this car is. This is insane, with some customizations on the hood. So this is the 333i Homage Edition, finished in a stunning fire red color, and there is only 33 of these ever made. This is number 1. And as we move to the back, carbon fiber duck tail wing and 4 exhaust tips in a triangle shape, which comes on all Homage editions. Carbon fiber roof, I mean, this is incredible. Oh my word. Two special Liberty Walk cars, and y'all can see them behind me. A Liberty Walk 458 Italia with a carbon fiber hood and forged wheels, black brake calipers. As we move, we see this insanely huge carbon fiber wing, and this Liberty Walk 458 is fitted with a titanium Amitrix exhaust system. And as we move from one crazy car to the other, this is an Aventador Pirelli edition Liberty Walk, one of 50 in the whole entire world. And Lamborghini's Aventador specifically are also known for their off-centered V12 engines. Check how wide this is, and it also carries a huge carbon fiber wing and the Pirelli stripe carbon fiber hood. How insane are these two cars? The Lamborghini Gallardo with gold wheels, finished in yellow, and I believe this one has a custom exhaust. And as we move from this to this, we have this 325i, and from this to the craziest F430 on the internet right now, which is bagged, finished in a Tiffany blue interior with Tiffany blue brake calipers, chrome wheels. How crazy is this?
Okay, so there's some history here.
A moment to admire these three Italian bulls brought to us by Lamborghini Club South Africa. And let's start with this one, the LP610 with a Joker wrap. I mean, how crazy is this? Chrome wheels and green brake calipers. And then moving on to the next, the Gallardo. I mean, there's a lot going on here. And then the final boss, Aventador SVJ. This one is fitted with a Novitec exhaust. And by the way, it's not the real 63 edition. Carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber side skirt, and carbon fiber wing. Check out that exhaust. Oh my word.